Florida for a wedding, and Spencer is in the line, so he's already there taking pictures. I'm gonna meet them there. I'm going to film as much of this as I can, as Quinn will allow me to. So far, the brushes are keeping her distracted. For foundation, I used my Armani Luminous Silk and now contour. I'm going in with the Rare Beauty. Love the formula of these. They are so easy to work with and blend out. I'm wearing the green Reformation dress that I wore in my pregnancy announcement photo, so I want to keep the blush really neutral. I'm going in with She's Seductive. This is Patrick Ta. Got this mini Huda Beauty concealer. It's literally been my favorite for traveling. Also burned my hand today on my straightener. Hurts so bad still. Quinn's favorite word right now is thank you, and it's the cutest thing in the world. That video that I posted for Duke when he passed away is going viral again. I feel like one of the hardest parts is having him for almost a decade of my life, and now all of a sudden that's gone, and I miss having a dog so much. I feel like it's hard because Quinn doesn't have him either, and I want that so bad for her. I feel like all of a sudden recently this flip just switched in me, where I said right when Duke passed away that I wouldn't get another dog for like a year because it was just gonna be way too hard. Something recently has just made me long for having a dog again, and I just missed it so much. We'll see, maybe the beginning of next year it will be time. So nostalgic every time I use this eyeshadow palette. The eyes look good. I'm just gonna go in with my Prada eyeliner. This is shade Wood. Add this to the outer corner of the eye here, and then I'm adding it to the lower lash line, but I'm not gonna add it in the middle here. I'm just gonna do it around the corners. So rushed, but I'm gonna blend it with my finger. Definitely don't think I'm gonna have time for lashes, so I'm just gonna curl them using MAC Stack. Wait until my lashes dry to set the face. Usually will set before I do mascara, but I forgot. Lip combo, I'm going to contour my lips with Dior 303. I forgot a sharpener, and this is like scraping the crap out of my lips. I think this might be the most expensive lip combo I've ever worn in my life. I realized I haven't used my Louis Vuitton lipstick since I did the review. I'm gonna go in with that one. I cannot remember the number of this one, but it's like the peach one, and gloss is gonna be Tom Ford. I wish these products weren't as great as they are, because they are pricey, but they're so good. Spraying with MAC Fix Plus. Oh, and it's crawling by my light. I lied, that was the Makeup Forever setting spray. I'm gonna use the iconic London. This is the Rollaway Glow Peach Paradise Highlight. Wait guys, that only took 30 minutes. Makeup looks good. Okay guys, let me know what you think of the look. I'm off to the wedding.